Everyone, my name is Ashok and I will be presenting you about the EasyCube. Before I get into the EasyCube, let me talk about a little bit about myself. I have 15 years experience in building multimedia applications for enterprises, consumers and broadcasters. And I came to Hong Kong for my MBA, stuck around for a while, went to Goldman Sachs and that's it. Back to startups. What I'm doing, I'm building, let me start with a simple question here. Can I see a show of hands how many of you guys here have one or more smart devices like iPhone, iPad or Android tablet and stuff? So you don't have one, right? So if you take photos from those devices, one or multiple devices, do you ever back up your photos? So can I see people who back up their photos? So I hope that your photos are saved wherever they are, whether you back up on cloud or on your PC. Hope your PCs don't crash. What we're talking about is that when you take these photos, where they end up, we don't know. How we back up, if you don't have time. You do have time to back up your photos on your PC and hope they are safe. What we're doing, there is an industry trend right now. People are using less and less PCs. People are using more and more smart devices to access the internet, take the photos, and do whatever they want to do. Where do they back up their photos? The hands that I just saw, probably you keep it on your Dropbox or whatever cloud devices and whatnot. And some people might keep it on their home with their Macs or PCs and whatnot. We're building EasyCube. Maybe I'll come back to this slide later. Let me go on what I'm trying to talk about. What EasyCube is actually. It's a smart media center. It's the size of a CD drive that looks like this. And it's a modular design. It allows people to stack things on top of it. So you can put a CD drive on top of it. You can put a hard drive on top of it. And it's a powerful computer inside, as powerful as a MacBook Air. And it basically backs up your photos automatically from your phones. All the smart devices that you might have in your house. Simply connect the cable in the back, download the app, enter your phone number, and it will do the rest. This is what happens. So this is the sum of the whole thing. I'll probably spend 30 seconds around here. You get the app, and launch the app from your iPad or your iPhone or what it might be. It automatically loads everything into the EasyCube, and then you can enjoy your content. It could be your photos, videos, or contacts from your phones or tablets, and watch them on TV. As well as you can back them on any of your devices that you might have, and anywhere. So the whole idea is that if you lose your smart device, and you don't lose your content, you just bring a new device in and you have content back on your phone because it's residing at your place in your house. What else it does? It basically is a complete photo storage and management device. It automatically removes duplicate photos and similar photos that you might have. You take multiple photos to get the perfect shot. It face recognizes photos in the repository or whatever that you have collected and organizes them based on faces. It organizes them based on dates, locations. It creates albums automatically, the albums that you have created on your devices, and you can tag the photos. So this is a complete photo management device. You have an intuitive user interface that you get. You get your photos, contacts, videos. You can see them in a nice layout. You can watch them on your TV with your family members and enjoy them together. Easy to use. You can use your TV remote to browse through your content. You can use your mobile app to navigate through the user interface. What do we want? We want you guys to help us raise the awareness of the product. Please tell us what you want to hear, what you want to see in the EasyCube, what are the features you would like to see. We will be going on Kickstarter early next month or maybe later next month. And we want you guys to support us, spread the word, and raise us the fund. Thank you.